Imagine waking up every single morning with a massive to-do list staring right back at you. You need a 500-word email newsletter. You need 3 engaging Instagram captions. You need a high-converting Facebook ad campaign. And on top of all that, you need a comprehensive search engine-optimized blog post that is at least 2,000 words long. For years, content creators, digital marketers, and agency owners have faced the exact same bottleneck: time. Writing high-quality content takes hours, if not days. Hiring professional copywriters can drain your bank account faster than you can generate revenue. And worst of all, the dreaded writer's block can strike at any moment, leaving you staring at a blank, blinking cursor for hours. But what if you could change all of that today? What if you had an artificial intelligence assistant that could handle all of your copywriting needs in mere seconds? Welcome back to AI Tech, your ultimate destination for everything related to artificial intelligence, automation, and digital growth. Today, we are diving deep into an absolute game changer in the world of AI content generation. We are talking about Copymatic. Copymatic is not just another basic text generator. It is a powerhouse AI platform designed specifically to write digital copy, long-form articles, high-converting advertisements, and engaging social media content. In this video, we are going to break down exactly what Copymatic is, explore its most powerful features, run real-time tests, and show you how this single tool can completely transform your workflow, save you thousands of dollars, and explode your online business. Before we look under the hood, let us understand what makes Copymatic stand out in an incredibly crowded market. At its core, Copymatic utilizes advanced language models optimized specifically for marketing psychology and search engine optimization. Unlike standard AI tools that often generate generic robotic responses, Copymatic is trained on high-performing copy that has historically proven to convert casual readers into paying customers. When you first log into the Copymatic dashboard, you are greeted with a clean, intuitive, and modern interface. There are no overly complicated settings or confusing technical jargon. Everything is organized logically, giving you instant access to over 80 specialized copywriting tools. Whether you are an e-commerce store owner looking for product descriptions, a YouTuber looking for video outlines, or a blogger aiming for the top spot on Google, Copymatic has a dedicated template engineered just for you. One of the biggest advantages of Copymatic is its sheer versatility. It supports more than 20 different languages, allowing you to scale your content marketing globally with a single click. Furthermore, it allows you to adjust the tone of voice of your copy. You can make your content sound professional, witty, casual, urgent, or persuasive, ensuring that the output aligns perfectly with your specific brand identity. Let us start with what many consider to be the crown jewel of this platform: the long-form AI article writer. Writing a high-quality blog post manually requires extensive keyword research, outlining, drafting, and proofreading. It is an exhausting process. Copymatic completely redefines this workflow through a highly structured, step-by-step guided process that gives you total control over the final output. Instead of asking you to type a single prompt and praying for a good result, Copymatic guides you through an optimized 4-step journey. First, you provide a brief description of what you want your article to be about. Second, the AI generates a wide selection of highly catchy, click-worthy titles. You simply select the one you like best or customize it to your liking. Third, Copymatic creates a comprehensive article outline consisting of headers and subheaders. This is where the magic truly happens. You can add your own headers, delete unwanted sections, or rearrange the flow of the article. This guarantees that the AI writes exactly what you want, eliminating the risk of off-topic rants. Finally, in the 4th step, you click Generate, and watch in amazement as the AI builds a fully articulated, highly detailed, and completely structured blog post in less than a minute. The paragraphs flow naturally, the transition sentences are smooth, and the vocabulary is rich. It reads as if it were written by a seasoned freelance journalist. For content marketers looking to build topical authority and drive organic traffic from search engines, this feature alone is worth the price of admission. In today's fast-paced digital ecosystem, social media dominance is no longer optional. It is mandatory. However, keeping up with the constant demand for fresh content across multiple platforms can easily lead to severe burnout. This is where Copymatic's social media and advertising suites come to the rescue. Let us look at paid advertising first. Writing an ad that actually gets people to stop scrolling and click requires a deep understanding of direct response marketing. Copymatic features built-in generators for Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads. It does not just write random sentences, it structures the ad copy with proven psychological frameworks. It creates powerful headlines, engaging primary text, and clear calls to action that drive conversions. But what if you are focusing on organic growth? Copymatic has you covered. It can generate engaging Instagram captions, viral-worthy TikTok video ideas, professional LinkedIn updates, and thought-provoking tweets. You can take a single core idea, run it through these different templates, and instantly have a week's worth of cross-platform social media content ready to be scheduled. For YouTube creators, Copymatic is an absolute lifesaver. It can assist you with everything from generating video topic ideas and writing highly optimized video descriptions to creating full video scripts. By utilizing these tools, you can significantly reduce your pre-production time, allowing you to focus entirely on filming, editing, and interacting with your audience. If you run an e-commerce store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon, you know that product descriptions can make or break your sales. A boring, basic list of technical specifications will not convince anyone to buy. Your descriptions need to tell a story, highlight the core benefits, and address consumer pain points. Copymatic offers specialized e-commerce tools that turn boring product features into highly persuasive sales copy. By simply entering the product name and a few basic characteristics, the AI generates descriptions that appeal directly to the emotions of your target audience. It emphasizes why they need the product and how it will improve their lives, leading to a noticeable boost in your store's conversion rates. Beyond product descriptions, Copymatic excels at website and landing page copywriting. It features dedicated tools for writing website subheadlines, value propositions, and entire landing page sections based on classic copywriting models like AIDEA and PAS. AIDA stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. PAS stands for Problem, Agitation, and Solution. These frameworks have been used by top-tier marketers for decades to generate billions of dollars in sales. With Copymatic, you do not need a marketing degree to apply these formulas. The AI automatically structures your copy using these principles, ensuring that your website visitors are guided smoothly toward making a purchase. One of the most frequent questions people ask when it comes to AI content generation is the content original? And will it rank on Google? These are incredibly important concerns. Google values high-quality, helpful, and original content, and search engines penalize low-quality spam. Copymatic addresses these concerns head-on by building SEO optimization directly into its core engine. When using the article writer, you can input your target SEO keywords. The AI then intelligently weaves these keywords into your headers, introduction, and body paragraphs naturally, avoiding the dangerous trap of keyword stuffing. This ensures your content is perfectly optimized for search engine crawlers while remaining incredibly enjoyable for human readers. Furthermore, Copymatic includes a highly reliable built-in plagiarism checker. Before you export any piece of text, you can run it through the Plagiarism tool to verify its uniqueness. This gives you complete peace of mind, knowing that your articles, website copy, and marketing assets are 100% original and safe from any copyright issues. When you evaluate any software tool for your business, you have to look at the return on investment. Let us look at the numbers. If you were to hire a freelance writer to produce 10 high-quality blog posts a month, you could easily expect to pay anywhere from $500 to over $1,000. If you hire a specialized copywriter for ad campaigns and landing pages, the costs skyrocket even higher. Copymatic completely shatters this financial barrier. It offers highly affordable subscription plans that give you access to unlimited words and all 80+ marketing templates. For a tiny fraction of the cost of a single freelance article, you get an on-demand, 24/7 AI copywriter that never gets tired, never suffers from writer's block, and delivers premium results in seconds. The amount of time you save is equally astonishing. Tasks that used to consume your entire weekend can now be wrapped up in less than an hour. This frees up your schedule to focus on high-level business strategy, product development, or expanding your creative horizons. In conclusion, Copymatic is an absolute must-have tool for anyone serious about building a powerful online presence. Whether you are a solo content creator, an ambitious affiliate marketer, a busy e-commerce entrepreneur, or a growing digital agency, this platform provides all the tools you need to scale your content production, write high-converting copy, and dominate your niche. It takes the complexity out of writing and allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your brand and increasing your revenue. The intuitive interface, combined with the sheer quality of the AI-generated outputs, makes it one of the absolute best investments you can make for your business today. If you are ready to banish writer's block forever, supercharge your content creation process, and take your business to the next level, do not wait any longer. We have an exclusive link waiting for you. Look right down below this video. Click the official link in the description or the pinned comment to head over to Copymatic right now, claim your access, and start generating world-class content today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment letting us know which Copymatic feature you are most excited to try, and subscribe to AI Tech for more deep dives, tutorials, and strategy guides on the latest artificial intelligence tools. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the very next video.